Hello, namaste. Welcome to Mom Talks with Lucy, where real moms shares their real stories. You have seen lot of interviews with celebrity moms, their glam lives, their big platforms. But what about us? The mom who juggles 10 things a day, who build the dreams during nap time, who hold the house together with one hand a baby and other things. This source is for real moms because guess what? To our children, we are the real celebrities. So let's welcome to our guest. She is Megha Vansal, a beautiful lady working woman, also a mother. Thank you for
Lucy.
accepting my invitation. Can you please tell us about yourself and about your family?
So basically, I have a 3.5-year-old daughter,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
I currently live in Delhi. I've been born and brought up in Delhi. I did my
Okay.
schooling, my college, everything in Delhi as well. My parents are here,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and other than that, with
Mm-hmm.
my family, I live in a joint family,
Okay.
currently with my husband. And
Mm-hmm.
regarding my work, so
Mm-hmm.
I pursued my interior designing. I did a lot of
Mm-hmm.
resin work. I taught a lot
Mm-hmm.
of students out there. So
Mm-hmm.
after my marriage and having a child, my journey
Mm-hmm.
changed, and I got
Mm-hmm.
into more into the mom zone, and my priority changed. So with my
Okay.
priority,
Mm-hmm.
I stopped working on interiors or resin for that matter because my
Mm-hmm.
toddler needed more time with me. And if I
Yes.
am in any of those fields,
Mm-hmm.
definitely it's not easy to be with the child
Yes.
then
Yes.
because interiors is all about being on the side, being in the market
Yeah.
surveys, which is really not possible with a small child, I think, for me.
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
with resin, it's a chemical, so I did not want to play with it around her. So yeah,
Yeah.
these are the th two things that changed with me. Like because for
Mm-hmm.
me, my whole life was all about the work I'm doing, the ambition that I had to,
Yes.
achieve more and more and more daily. So it
Yes.
changed. It totally changed. And
Yes. Yes.
now, currently, I am working in content creation. I help brands
Mm-hmm.
grow. We
Mm-hmm.
provide them with monthly content banking
Mm-hmm.
calendars. We shoot their products for
Mm-hmm.
website, for
Mm-hmm.
catalogs, for advertisements.
Mm-hmm.
We do little
Mm-hmm.
ads for social media ads, be it
Mm-hmm.
Amazon or
Mm-hmm.
any other platform. With that,
Yeah.
I'm also doing a lot of AI work currently. So
Mm-hmm.
all these things are easy to handle when because you can do this from your home. I have a home studio
Yeah.
setup, so we do
Okay.
it from home. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's about it.
That's very wonderful. You are doing wonderful job. I
Thank
know
you.
as a mother, it's very tough for us to do work from home and with the personal life and professional life. It's very
Right,
tough.
right.
That you are doing very great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And let me ask you second question. Is
Yeah.
it like how old your child?
So my child is 3.5 years old.
Hmm.
Yeah. So she
Same
come.
with my child also. She is
Okay.
also 3 years
Nice.
old.
Wow. You also have a girl? Very
Yes, yes,
nice.
yes,
Wow.
girl.
Very
Girl
nice.
is a blessings,
Girls are
you
blessings,
know.
yeah. I mean,
Yes.
they pour into your heart. It's not something that they're
Mm-hmm.
taking off your energy. But
Mm-hmm.
with my child, it's like she gives me the energy, and I think she's one of
Mm-hmm.
the inspirations why I started working again because
Mm-hmm.
when she was around 9 months or so, I just thought, she's
Mm-hmm.
always copying you and she's always
Mm-hmm.
doing what you do. Like, mom, if you're holding a purse, I want to hold it like you. If you're taking a brown
Yeah.
purse, I want a brown bag. So she's
Mm-hmm.
always there and she's watching you constantly. She's um, taking you as a source of inspiration to act in all the forms
Yes.
and areas of life. So that is one of the the reasons I was motivated to actually start working because I want my daughter to also lift herself up from
Mm-hmm.
all the daily deeds that we do, other than what we do. Yeah. पार्टी के लिए ready होती हूँ and she's
Mm-hmm.
looking at me and she's like, she's constantly looking at what I'm doing, what अच्छा mom and now that she knows कि हाँ इसके बाद ये
Mm-hmm.
करना है, you have to put on this अच्छा mama you won't put kajal and all. And then
Yes.
what she does is like, because this is one moment I don't want her to put makeup, okay? And I know
Yeah. Yeah.
she's a girl, she's tempted to do all those things, she's seeing it
Yes.
all around
Yes.
her. So
Yes.
what she does is, mom just give me like she takes a one finger of hers and she, puts
Yes.
dab, dab, dab on my lips and then she'll dap it on her
Yes.
lips and then she'll
Yes.
do the same with the eye makeup. So all those cute
Yeah.
gestures give me that momentum यार कि मैं उसके लिए कितनी ज्यादा important हूँ. मतलब I am
Yes.
like the most important person in her life. एंड
Yes.
आई
Yes.
थिंक
Yes.
ऑल आर लाइव्स ना हम लोग इसी चीज के पीछे भाग रहे होते हैं कि यार हम किसी की लाइफ में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हो. सो
Yes.
आई थिंक चिल्ड्रन डू प्रूव दैट टिल द एज दैट दे
Yes.
7.
Yes.
उसके बाद तो दे विल हैव देयर लाइफ गोइंग ऑन, बट हाँ, सात
Yes.
साल
Yes.
तक तो एटलीस्ट दे
ना
दे बी लाइक
अभी हम
यू आर
सोचते हैं
एवरीथिंग.
कि लाइक एज ए लाइक कोई तो है हमारे लिए इतना केयर करने
Right,
के लिए.
totally, totally, totally. I know if I'm not well, she'll be like, Mom, can I, sar daba do, kuch kar do. मतलब
Mm-hmm.
she's there, and
Yes.
she doesn't have a reason or a responsibility to be there, but she's there.
Yes.
So that comes
Yes.
out of that innocence only ना. वो otherwise
Yes.
आपको नहीं मिलता है लाइफ में, but वो
Yes. Yes.
innocence से ही हमें वो सब चीजें मिलती है. So that's really a
यस
blessing.
डेफिनेटली.
And
लाइक वो लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाते बट फिर भी आपका अगर तबीयत खराब है कुछ है तो सी उज लाइक मम्मा कॉल टू डॉक्टर, मम्मा कॉल टू डॉक्टर.
so true, so true. That happens.
I just want to ask you, is it good to stay with a joint family or stay with outside mama papa and
Okay.
baby?
So, to be very frank, I'm blessed
Mm-hmm.
to be in the joint family because there are times when I'm not able to be there for her, be it
Mm-hmm.
for work, though I'm working
Mm-hmm.
from home, but I do have shoot days. Like my whole day
Yes.
goes into shooting, or my whole days goes on the laptop. And I
Mm-hmm.
know at that time somebody is there to look out for her. And
Yes.
there are times when I'm not well, or there's
Mm-hmm.
somebody in my parents' family, they are not well. So if I'm visiting
Mm-hmm.
them or I'm doing anything, if I have to go shopping, I don't have to
Mm-hmm.
think, that she will go with me and how will I handle those things. Because when you're in the
Yes.
trial room, you're going in and out, you just want to get the task done, sometimes. So it's not
Yes.
possible. So I'm blessed that I have a joint family and I'm
Yes.
living with a joint family because there are times and moments that only the family can, fill the gaps with. And I think
Yes.
parents who are living alone, like I have friends of
Mm-hmm.
mine who are living alone and they
Mm-hmm.
struggle because
Yes.
anyhow, you can't be dependent on the help out there
Yes.
because you see so many negative cases going on. So,
Yes.
that
Yes.
stress level is so high, the speculation,
Yes.
cameras. So why put all those effort when you have a
Yes.
family and they're taking care? So, and also I've seen, agar I follow this one blog since
Mm-hmm.
2012, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
It's Judy Time. Okay, so she's a
Mm-hmm.
mom and she has her own mother also.
Mm-hmm.
She's a mother of four girls.
Mm-hmm.
So वो क्या करती थी, मतलब मैं बहुत छोटी थी जब मैंने उन्हें देखना शुरू किया,
Uh-huh.
राइट. आई
Mm-hmm.
वाज लाइक 18 19. ओके. तो
Mm-hmm.
वो क्या करती थी कि शी यूज्ड इफ शी वांट्स टू गो आउट शॉपिंग और शी वांट्स टू गो
Mm-hmm.
आउट फॉर ट्रैवलिंग, शी हैड टू लीव हर चिल्ड्रन back at grandparents' houses only, be it maternal,
Mm-hmm.
paternal, doesn't matter, but वो
Yes.
उनको
Yes.
छोड़ना पड़ता था. So
Yes.
I definitely feel that family is very important.
Yes.
Having them here is very important because सेकेंडली जो उसको ट्रेडिशन आज मेरे
Mm-hmm.
इन लॉ सिखा पा रहे हैं, आई थिंक मैं उतना फिल नहीं कर पाती बिकॉज हमारा
Yes. Yes.
कांस्टेंट थिंकिंग क्या होता है कि वो बच्चा सो रहा है, खा रहा है, पी रहा है,
Mm-hmm.
पढ़
Yes.
रहा है. हम लोग ये चार डिविजन्स में होते हैं, ठीक है.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
उसके अलावा जो वो व्हाट डू यू से संस्कार, इन हिंदी
Mm-hmm.
संस्कार सीखती है वो थ्रू होम एनवायरनमेंट सीखती है. एंड प्लस
Yes.
लाइक माय फादर इन लॉ इज वेरी मच इनटू पूजा, तो उनके साथ
Yeah.
वो बैठ के पूजा भी सीख रही है. माय मदर इन लॉ
Wow.
इज वेरी आउट गोइंग एंड शी इज वेरी
Mm-hmm.
सोशल, तो उनके साथ बैठ
Mm-hmm.
के वो चीजें भी सीख रही है. तो शी इज लर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच आई माई
Mm.
सेल्फ अलोन के नॉट फिल. And I
Yes. Yes.
definitely feel that you need a village to raise a child. Child is not one person thing. तो मैं कभी ये नहीं बोलूंगी ठीक है, everything is my responsibility, but how I cater these relationships also comes to my child in one way or
Yes.
the other. Yeah.
Yes, yes. That
Hmm.
is a great help. जो जो लोग जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं, that is a very good. Like मेड रखो कुछ भी करो, that is not about like they will not take care of a child about
No, they
all
will
this food
not.
and
They will
everything.
not.
Yes,
See,
yes,
for them, it's a duty. It's not coming
yes,
out of love or
yes,
responsibility. वो उनके लिए ड्यूटी है कि ठीक है, they have to
yes.
pass the time, they have to do. तो वो बहुत कम जगह हम देखते हैं कि the help
Mm-hmm.
is actually there to you know, treat them like a mother child वाला
Yes.
बॉन्ड वो नहीं मिलता है.
वो
एंड
नहीं
वो
मिलता
हम
है.
एक्सपेक्ट भी क्यों कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो पॉसिबल नहीं है यार. आई मीन हम
Yes.
भी अपने बच्चे के साथ ही बच्चे जैसे रहते हैं, एंड वी आर काइंड एंड जेनरस विद पीपल अराउंड, बट हम दूसरे एक बच्चे को पाल नहीं सकते. दिस इज हम
Yes,
खुद भी
yes,
नहीं कर
definitely.
सकते. So
Yes,
they
definitely.
are coming all the way for the job. So they'll get the
Mm-hmm.
cleaning thing done. They'll get
Yes.
कि they're taking care कि हम बच्चा कोई देख नहीं रहा. बट आई फील अगर हम
Mm-hmm.
लोग 8 घंटे एक बच्चे को कॉन्स्टेंटली एक हेल्प के साथ छोड़ रहे हैं, वी वॉन्ट द
Mm-hmm.
चाइल्ड्स टाइम टू बी प्रोडक्टिव. और वो
Yes.
प्रोडक्शन हमें हेल्प के थ्रू नहीं मिल सकती.
Yes, yes,
या
definitely. That is a blessing that you are staying in joint family and you are taking care of everything. So that is very wonderful. Let me ask you fourth questions. It's about like how is like what a typical day in your life like with the child, how you
So,
manage everything.
since April, she started going to school, and
Mm-hmm.
matlab, I always had this thing that my mom has always put me into different classes, given me
Mm-hmm.
a space where I can grow myself other than the house activities that we do
Yes,
with her.
yes.
So मेरे लिए हमेशा एक कोकुलर एक्टिविटी होना, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी होना, मतलब टॉप
Mm-hmm.
प्रायोरिटी रहती थी कि वो स्कूल जा
Okay.
रही है, बट आई नीड 1 hour 2 hour with her, either at
Mm-hmm.
the park or either at whatever workshop or classes
Yes.
we want her to join. So
Yes.
bachpan se when she was 6 7 months, I used to take her to park every day in the evening
Mm-hmm.
whenever possible. Matlab it's a joint
Mm-hmm.
family, so you have different things also going on. तो
Yes,
जो भी
yes.
maximum possible होता था, I used to take her because मेरे
Yes.
मतलब I am very much into the nature prospect that a person should spend time in nature. A person should
Mm-hmm.
spend time with the greenery around, because that
Mm-hmm.
helps you heal in so many ways, and the child need those things. हम लोग पूरा time we're
Yes.
around the gadgets, we're in the house, we're not on the
Yes.
streets. So I think parks are the best way to work on it, and I used to do that with my child. And now currently she has a school,
Mm-hmm.
so I wake up, I get ready, then I get her
Mm-hmm.
ready. Then
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I work out at home, sometimes I go to the park with my husband. Then we
Mm-hmm.
come back, have our meal. So it's like that. And at this time, I'm doing my work till
Okay.
1 o'clock, so that once
Mm-hmm.
she's there, I'm able to put in all the effort and pour everything with energy
Mm-hmm.
into her, because
Yeah.
that is also very important to balance.
Yes. Yes.
And once she's there, then it's her meal time, her sleeping
Mm-hmm.
time, her waking up
Yes.
time. So yeah, it's all around her. So yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
So totally like from starting उसको उठाना, then सुलाना, खिलाना, सब
Totally,
कुछ
totally.
करना
My
पड़ता
day
है.
starts with her and ends with her.
Mm-hmm.
It
Yes.
it's just that, in past 3 4 days, I've started
Mm-hmm.
working on my time in
Mm-hmm.
the morning. Like I give some
Mm-hmm.
time to myself in the morning because that is also
Mm-hmm.
necessary.
So let me ask you about the fifth questions. So सब लोग बोलते हैं कि there are like once चाइल्ड होने के बाद एक डिप्रेशन आ जाता है, मेंटल हेल्थ प्रेशर पड़ता है. इज इट राइट? लाइक इज इट somewhere mental stress is there?
Yes, it is.
Definitely. I
It
can
is.
understand. Yes.
101% postpartum
Mm-hmm.
exist.
Mm-hmm.
Not something that I dealt with without my husband. I couldn't have done
Mm-hmm.
without him. I think
Yeah.
it was the third day in the hospital, second or third day in the
Mm-hmm.
hospital, when
Mm-hmm.
after we got admitted, she was born.
Mm-hmm.
She was 2 days or 3 days old, and
Mm-hmm.
I was not feeling well. I was just,
Mm-hmm.
saying things like, what happened to me at the operation center, and my husband
Mm-hmm.
just said a few positive words to me, and I think that kicked out.
Yeah.
But it still comes. Why? Because first of all, I conceived very early in my marriage. So it's
Mm-hmm.
like when it was my first anniversary, I already had a child, and mine was an
Mm-hmm. Okay.
arranged setup. So it takes
Mm-hmm.
time, but
Yes.
we don't plan it. Some things are just bound to happen. Like this beautiful episode was bound to happen. So
Yes.
me getting to know my husband first, he getting to
Mm-hmm.
know me, and then we had a child on board, and then we are adjusting in the family. So that
Mm-hmm.
was a lot in the first year of marriage for all of us.
Yes.
Not just for
Yes.
me, I think for my in-laws, they were adjusting with
Mm-hmm.
us. For me, because I was settling into the family. And then my
Mm-hmm.
body was going into a different zone because I just had a baby. I never had an operation. I was
Mm-hmm.
to be very frank, from the very young age, I just had one single hairline fracture in my life, in the 26
Yeah.
years of my life. So getting
Oh,
operated was a huge thing for me because
yes.
हमारे को कट भी नहीं लगता था. It was like that.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
So
yes.
for me, having an us having a
Mm-hmm.
C-sec, getting operated was
Yeah.
a huge turn for my body. And
Yes.
wo hona, and then your hormones are just
Yeah.
everywhere, your thoughts are everywhere, and then people are
Mm.
telling you what to do, what not to do. It's a mess,
Yes.
yeah. It's a complete mess. So
Yes.
yes, it takes a toll on your mental, physical, emotional, all the variations of health. And it takes at least 2 years for any female to come to
Mm-hmm.
that center. It takes at
Yes.
least those 2 years, and those 2 years
Yes.
are very crucial for her. And I
Yes.
think it is not something that I mean, people can be supportive around you, like your
Yeah.
family can be supportive, your friends can be supportive, but you are dealing. So one
Yeah.
thing is missing in the cycle is that we are not taught how to
Yes.
be emotionally, physically, and mentally well at the same time.
Yes. Yes.
हम लोग बचपन से हैं, so we have been raised in this thing कि पढ़ना है, बढ़ना है,
Hmm.
आगे बढ़ना है. बट जो ये
Hmm.
हीलिंग पॉइंट्स है ना, इसके बारे में कोई
Hmm.
बात नहीं करता. और
Yes. Yes.
फिर जब हमारे सर पे आती है तो वी आर
Hmm.
इन अ नो जोन. तो यस,
Yes.
ये टीचिंग्स भी बहुत जरूरी है कि हम अपने
Yeah.
बच्चों को दे, जो शायद हमारे पेरेंट्स को टाइम भी नहीं मिला देखने का, बिकॉज
Yes.
उनके लिए तो पोस्टमार्टम कुछ था ही नहीं.
Tiny.
Why?
Yes.
Because they did not have the time to do it. They are juggling
Yeah.
everything. वो लोग तो
Yes.
अलग ही लेवल के जगलर्स हैं, तो हम
हाँ.
लोग कुछ भी नहीं करें. बट नाउ सिंस वी नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू कम एंड ये अवेयरनेस जरूरी है, सो फॉर आवर किड्स ऑल्सो, स्पेशली यू एंड आई हैव गर्ल चाइल्ड, सो that is also important कि हम, when they are getting old, they know
Hmm.
what is healing, they know the words that are connected to all these things. So
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. So like हम लोग कुछ expect नहीं करते हैं. Just we need a support. That's a
Yes.
support and good things, like
Right.
good talks. You can say that you are a wonderful mom, you are doing great.
Right.
Those words
Right.
that is like fill us like high. So we
They
don't
fill
need.
us. They fill us. We,
Yes,
I think अगर वो एक शब्द भी आता है तो पूरा महीना हम लोग
yes,
खुश हैं. हमें कोई दिक्कत
yes.
नहीं.
To share a funny or emotional parenting moment.
Funny or emotional.
Yeah.
So funny तो बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं because girls have very different questions and you don't know how to answer them. I don't know if it is funny or if it is
Mm-hmm.
sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Um, बट ऐसे ही था, मतलब लाइक
Mm-hmm.
ब्रदर सिस्टर्स हैं, हम लोग पंगे कर रहे हैं, मतलब आई वाज हैविंग इट विद माय ब्रदर एंड हम लोग मस्ती कर रहे हैं. एंड देन
Mm-hmm.
माय ब्रदर वाज जस्ट ऐसे पैट कर रहा था विद बाम एंड ऑल.
Mm-hmm.
एंड देन रुतांशी वेंट एंड इज लाइक, नो, don't hit my mother. And I was like, yeah, that was the first time I think I saw her, that she's actually standing up for me for no reason. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, when she saw that somebody's hurting her mother, she just stood up. So I don't know if it is sweet, funny, because in that moment it was very
Yeah, that
funny
is
that we
sweet. That is sweet.
that she actually went and is like, don't hit my mama. And I'm like, that is very sweet. And it was funny because my brother like, अच्छा अब तू बताएगी मेरी बहन के लिए. So it was funny and sweet all together. Yeah.
Mhm.
So emotional moments तो बहुत सारे हैं. I mean,
Yeah, बहुत सारे.
बहुत सारे हैं. I think the first moment with that I had with Rutanshi, like that's my child's name. So yeah, the first moment I had with Rutanshi was in the hospital, and that
Mhm.
was very different. मतलब वो मुझे moment अभी तक पूरा by scene याद है.
Yeah.
Um, so I used to sing this prayer to her when she was
Mhm.
inside me, um, about Krishna. And जब वो मेरे पास आई first time, I think I was under observation, and उस time
Mhm.
पे I just held, मतलब she held my finger like this when she came to
Mhm.
me. She came to me after 3 hours of birth because operation होता है तो then
Yeah.
आपको सुला देते हैं 2-3 घंटे के लिए, राइट? तो उस टाइम पे शी हेल्ड माय फिंगर लाइक दैट, हर आईज वर क्लोज्ड एंड आई जस्ट sang the prayer again to her,
Yeah.
and then she smiled. And I think that was that she could recognize my voice somehow. So that was very emotional. Yeah,
Yes,
so very emotional.
definitely for
Uh,
every mother.
For
So
every mother.
childbirth, yes, childbirth hona that time, the first touch, that is very emotional for
That's
us.
very emotional, very emotional. Yeah, something
Yes.
is inside you and then something is outside you.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's
Yeah.
totally emotional.
This
Okay.
is the last question.
Okay.
Like, what is something you wish more people understand about moms? Like either a working mom or either a housewife, homemaker. What you want? Like, what is something you wish to people
Now she's
understood?
3.5, so not so
Mm-hmm.
much. मतलब I'm not in that zone that I care कि कोई क्या सोच रहा है. मेरे को लगता है कि यार जो
Mm-hmm.
है कर लो. I mean, just live
Mm-hmm.
it, live full. ताकि your
Mm-hmm.
child also sees you in that form and manner. And
Yes.
when um she was young, I think
Mm-hmm.
younger than this, one thing that I wish people could understand is that raising a child is constantly changing with the pace
Yes.
of generations and with the pace of technology. And I think sometimes we are too adamant with our old traditions, with our old things, that
Mm-hmm.
we are not settled with the new moms and the new mindset that they have. And
Yes.
not that I have felt into it, but I have seen so many other moms going through this that they would want some things to happen in some certain ways to their child. And, you know, uh, because the mindset is not very much free around them,
Mm-hmm.
they're not able to do it with a happy mindset. Either they're
Yes.
fighting, either they are, trying to just take up their stand. So I definitely feel that we need more liberal minds in that way, that it's your child and you're free to, you know, raise them
Yes.
howsoever they are from the very beginning. So that is still not there. I mean, people still feel that the old traditions of, uh, feeding, talking, walking, everything that was earlier done with the child is the same, but it's not that. We have come far away, and now, these are mobile phone kids, these are AI kids in all together.
Yeah.
Like, they will not be doing their homework with the newspapers and book research. They'll be doing it with one laptop in their hand and AI in their hand. So, definitely, I feel that people need to understand this concept of letting go how they used to raise their child, because
Yes.
the
Yeah,
time
that
has
is the
gone.
most thing.
The
Yes.
time has gone. And if you have raised some certain child in 2005, like
Yeah.
2005, in some certain aspect, you can't
Mhm.
expect the same way they're bringing to happen in 2025. I
Yes.
mean, you can't
Yes.
expect that. And if you're not accepting to that, do not hinder the new mothers or new parents' upbringing course, because it's totally different. So yeah,
Yes.
that
Yes.
that needs to come in every individual around the globe, I guess.
As a new mother, उसको जो भी करना है करने दो. Let her do her things
Right.
so that she can learn, she can do everything. Once she need any advice or something, she will definitely
Yeah.
ask you.
One more thing I would want to highlight here is that every parent is different. And I think
Yes.
a lot of judgments comes out of us mothers only for a lot of other
Yes.
mothers. So
Yes.
that should also be
Yeah.
worked out within the feminine group only, that you don't speak out bad about other women doing something to their
Yes.
child. If she wants the child to watch TV, let them. Do not judge. I mean, she
Yeah.
might be
No.
doing it out of
Yes.
a different stress level. Maybe, she has something huge going out at his or her place, and
Yes.
she has to show her, मतलब, keep the child busy, and she has no other way at times. So I think we should not judge every mother's
Yes.
way of upbringing. If she wants her child to watch TV, they should. If she wants कि हाँ भाई तू कैंडी खा ले, तो खाने दो. But आपका बच्चा
Yeah.
तो नहीं खा रहा ना, you don't
Yeah.
judge them. So yeah, no
Yes.
judgments is a
Yes.
part of the
Yes.
whole concept.
It was wonderful. I talk with
Thank you
you
for having
about the
me,
motherhood.
and it was so nice to actually talk to another mom and talk about all the memories and everything.
Yes.
Yeah. It was great.
Uh, it feels great for me also. You accepted my invitation and want to talk with me about your motherhood. So, Megha, she is a very wonderful mother, also a working woman. So, if our audience, you want to work with her, you can check with her about her Instagram. Also, can you share with us about Instagram handle?
Okay, so there is a name, Fabin.
Mm-hmm.
So if you type
Mm-hmm.
the name Fabin, you will see the Fabin Girl, Fabin First, content by
Mm-hmm.
Fabin, Fabin AI, Fabin Littles. Fabin Little is something that we have recently joined, like started
Mm-hmm.
in my whole
Mm-hmm.
journey. So all this is all these pages are my own, and
Mm-hmm.
I've been doing different work on them in different
Mm-hmm.
niches altogether. Fabin Little is one. Niche that we have recently captured, and we are trying to
Mm-hmm.
do photography for the newborns, for the new
Mm-hmm.
like little children. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
So definitely, those who want to work with her, please check her Instagram, and I will share all these links with the
that's so
description.
sweet. Yeah,
Uh, so we can work with her definitely. She's a very wonderful, great mother, also a working
you too.
professional.
You're doing a great job yourself.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, hats off to the podcast and all the
yeah.
best for the same.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Megha.
so
Thank you
much,
so much.
Lucy.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
Bye,
you.
bye.
Bye bye.
If this episode touched your heart, please share with another mother who needs this reminder today that she is doing in her life great job. And if you would like to be guest on Mom Talks with Lucy, I would love to feature you. You can share your motherhood journey, promote your small business or talent, get free tips. It's all about remote. You can record it from the comfort of your home. Let's support, grow together because real moms are the real celebrities. See you in next episode.